With central banks moving away from quantitative easing, new investment opportunities are arising. So where should investors be looking? According to Bank Seats, the answer is simple: hedge funds. So Eric, we're here today at the Seats Hedge Fund Summit to discuss how central banks moving away from quantitative easing is creating opportunities for new investments. And in your opinion, you believe hedge funds are the best new investments. Why do you think this is so?
Well, as central banks are going to go away from easing, the interest rate curve is going to start to steepen, and hedge funds always can profit of that. There's going to be a disruption in the market. And we believe that hedge funds are probably the best way to capture that disruption, and for investors to participate in that, we believe hedge funds is a good investment opportunity.
And over the past few years, hedge funds haven't been performing particularly well. Do you think that this difficult time is over?
Well, I think, again, it was part of the interest rate environment, which I think is steepening, and which is going to be to the advantage of the hedge funds. And we do believe that with the easing, hedge funds are going to take up this opportunity. And hence, yes, I think the time has come where hedge funds start to look attractive. We can see it in their performances as well. Over the past 12 months, performance have started to improve.
And according to data from Eureka Hedge, fund flows into hedge funds have improved so far in 2017, with a net of $1.7 billion coming into the industry as of February. Do you think that hedge funds will continue to perform at this rate?
Well, I think that is the result of having better performances over the last 12 months, in particular in the first quarter of this year. And so, yes, I do think that this trend will continue, and we'll see probably more inflows over the next quarters to come and for the rest of the year.
And so how would you suggest people go about investing in hedge funds?
Well, there's several ways of going about. We at Seats, we have several products, one of which is fund of funds, and that's for smaller amounts. If you have larger amounts, starting with 20 millions, we do bespoke portfolios with specific risk profiles for clients, and so there's several ways to go about it.
And are you watching any particular hedge funds at the moment?
We have just sent out our team to Asia. We think that in Asia there's a lot of disruption right now, a lot of opportunities. The Asian market is not as sophisticated as Europe or the United States. So we do believe there's some attractive opportunities out there before probably then looking at the other markets. But right now we like Asia a lot.
Okay, well, thank you so much for speaking with us, Eric, about hedge funds and the new investment opportunities that lay forward for investors.
You're most welcome. Thank you.